Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we will see how to handle the window browser, how to navigate things from browser, navigation in the sense how to go back to the same page or go forward to some other page, or how to maximize, minimize the window and closing the browser window. So as you all know that for any Selenium WebDriver program, these two lines are mandatory, and those are the same lines which we need to write for all the programs. These lines are nothing but to invoke the browser. So this I have taken from my other program. I have already uploaded a video for that these things, so you can take it up from there. Now today what I will see, I will show you how to navigate in the browser window. So suppose once you have written this browser initiation things and all. Now you want to maximize the browser window. So how you can do that? See, for safer side, wherever you invoke the browser, always in the next line you maximize the window. That will let you avoid the things like element not visible, and even in maximize window you can also see the program very clearly rather than watching it in the minimize window, so or not maximize window. So always wherever you write invoke the browser, you should always maximize the window. That is a good practice, that is recommended. If you don't do, that's not a problem, but sometimes you might lead into some error like element not visible, and you also might not be able to see the program clearly. So you want to the very first thing is you want to maximize the window. So how you can do for maximization of the window, browser window, what you have to do is driver.manage. It's like managing anything. So now what you want to manage, you want to manage browser window, right? So window dot, see here so many options are there: full screen, get position, get size. See, these all things are self-explanatory, you can see, right? In case if you want the position, if you want get size, class, full screen and all. So here we want to do the maximization of windows, so we will go with maximization, right? Now you want to open some URL, you want to open some website. So how you can do, you have to do is driver.get. So see, for get also so many things are there: current URL, page source in case you need page source, current URL. Current URL in the sense you have already ran some program and you want to know now what is the current URL it is running on. So you can, you by using this get current URL, you can use the get the current URL. If you want to know the browser title, current page title, then you can use get title, like this. So here you want to get some you want to open some website, right? So you have to do it. See, Eclipse, you write something and write control and space, it will automatically give you all the suggestions. So you want string, right? So here you have to pass some URL. So for that you need to use double quotes, and suppose any website you can take. Suppose you want to open this website, so copy paste the same thing and put it inside the inverted commas, right? Now you want to go to some other website, so for that you need to write driver.navigate. Navigate, it means navigate to this window, right? Navigate to URL, right? So we will take this one, URL. We will not take this string argument, we'll take this URL. So URL, now again give double quotes, and now in this, suppose you want to open google.com, right? So copy paste this URL in your code. See, now if you see, this driver.get and driver.navigate is almost same. The only difference in driver.get and navigate is driver.get is inbuilt has some wait mechanism and all. So at the very first time when you want to open some website or when you want to navigate some page, you should use driver.get. So automatically it will wait and all, but in navigate this mechanism is not there. So once browser is invoked and at the very first time any website is already open, then you can use driver.navigate dot to this. And now again, in case you want to go back to programmer word other previous website, or in case in your test cases you have going to by step, and then you have to click on browser back button. So in how to automate that browser back button is driver dot navigate dot back. See, and you might perform some step and then again you have to go to forward. So driver dot navigate dot forward. See, right? So these things click on in many test cases you need to click on browser back button and all, right? Because the user might go to cart page and then again he has to go to PLP page, PDP page and all. So of course he might use browser back button also. Instead of using back button from the application or something, he might use browser functionality as well. So those cases you can do like this. And now suppose everything is done and you want to close the browser. So driver.close, sorry. And now driver dot, one more thing I want to show is quit. See, close and quit will do the same thing. They will here, because only one browser we are playing around. So in case if you use driver.quit, that also will close the window, and this close anyways will close the window. But what is the difference between close and quit? See, if you use driver.close, so it will only close the current window, current browser, current window where you are performing action. But in case if you use driver.quit, so it will close all the browsers simultaneously running. So suppose you are running some test cases, and in those test cases, three, four browser windows are opened. So in case if you use driver.close, some current window only if you have to close, then you use driver.close. But like four, five, six browser windows are open, and all the browsers if you want to close, then you have to use driver.quit. It will quit completely that browser all the windows. So here as we have only one uh, driver browser instance, so we will close that only. So we'll use driver.close. But if you have many instances running of the browser, then you have to use driver.quit. So if we run this program, just remember the first thing is what we are doing. We are maximizing the window, then we are going to programmer word, and then we are going to Google. And then here we are clicking on back button, so it will go to programmer word again, and then we are clicking on forward button, so it should go to google.com, and then it should close the browser. Let's see. So just remember, first programmer and then Google, and after that again programmer and then Google. Let's see whether it's running same way or not. See, browser is initiating. See, it's opened a browser, it's maximized a window. Now it opened a browser programmer. Now it should go to google.com. See, it went to google.com. Then again it went to programmer, and now again it should go to Google. See, it's working and now it's closed. So guys, I hope this video might help you to play around with navigation of the browser. Thank you for watching my video.